Every January, millions of people make the same 7 mistakes in the gym, and it's why they burn out in March. If you want 2026 to be your best year yet, do not fall into these traps. Now, unfortunately, in January, everyone tries to go from 0 to hero. They are going 7 days a week, hard lifting, hard conditioning, and they end up burning themselves out. But the big thing is your body doesn't adapt to motivation. It adapts to progression. And when you spike the demand too fast, the first thing to break isn't your muscle, it's your joints and your tendons. So what is the fix? Well, it's simple. Let's go from 0 to 60, not 0 to 100. Start the first 2 weeks with some basic GPP, general physical preparedness. We're focused on good slow tempos, leaving about 1 or 2 reps in reserve. We're controlling every single rep and we're loading with moderate weights. Make sure you're consistently increasing volume from week to week. So hey, if you're like, last year, week 1, I started with 20 total sets. Maybe we start with 12 total sets. Week 2, we go to 14. Week 3, we go to 16. Week 4, we go to 18. And then we're getting to our goal by the end of January, but we're consistent and we're still hitting our goals. All right, and if you need a simple warm-up routine or you need some help with your joints, your muscles, recover those first couple weeks of January, get on some of these items. I'll put a link in the description to my Amazon store. Trap number 2, you're training like you're 20, but you're 30, 40, or 50 plus. That's just not gonna work anymore. Your body doesn't recover the same. Your lifestyle doesn't match those old college routines, kids, work, whatever. And you probably have a decade of stress your 20-year-old self just never had. You probably don't get as much sleep as you did back then either. Now, how do you fix it? Well, of course, you do need strength, but you also need to get on top of your power, your mobility, and your recovery. You need to train like your age, don't train like your ego. And on to trap number 3, ignoring your mobility and your power. And now power declines very fast with age, much faster than strength, and your mobility, you're gonna stiffen up really quickly if you're not training that as well. For the fix, in January, I want you to commit to 5 minutes of mobility per day and pick one area of your body to fix first, clear that, and then move on to the next one. Don't get all cluttered up. And then 1 session per week of basic power work, jumps, throws, landing mechanics. Again, pick one, train it up, and then make that progression. This is the foundation of the Longevity Athlete Program. Trap number 4, no progressions, no progress. January is when people collect their cute workouts from TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, but there's no structure, there's no plan, there's no progression. And if nothing progresses, nothing changes. Choose one strength focus, one conditioning focus, one mobility focus. Stick with that for 6 weeks, track it, that's it. Trap number 5, underfueling yourself during all of this new year motivation. People start training harder, but eat less because they want fat loss. You can't ask your body to work at 100%, giving it 50%. Your simple fix is going to be eating at maintenance or slightly below for those first couple weeks. Make sure you're hitting your protein goal. Make sure you're getting your carbs around your workouts. Stop trying to hit PRs on an empty stomach. It's not gonna work. Trap number 6, stop trying to fix everything at once, please. January is already overloaded with all this. You have new habits you're trying to build, new sleep routine, new workout, new diet, new everything, and it's just not gonna work. Focus on one thing, master it, or it's only gonna last 10 days. Just pick 3 things: a training baseline, a nutrition anchor, maybe you're just working on protein intake, a recovery commitment, maybe you're trying to get that extra 30 minutes before you go to bed, a little cleaner, a little less blue light. That's sustainable, that compounds over time. And finally, we made it to our number 7, and it's a big one. No baseline testing. We've got to test. This is the big one, the one almost no one does. People start January with no idea where they actually are. So they can't measure progress, they can't adjust intelligently, and they burn out because motivation replaces good quality feedback. Take a baseline assessment, mobility, power, strength, balance. Fortunately, I have you all set up on the channel in some previous videos, or check out my Patreon. We have a whole spreadsheet for you. Retest every 6 to 8 weeks, and then make adjustments based on that. Remember, Weak points aren't failures, they are feedback for us to train into. Now, if you avoid these 7 traps, January goes from being a month of hype to a month where we can actually build strong momentum here into the new year. Pick the one trap that you struggle with the most, drop it in the comments. I will help you fix it. Please subscribe, please like. Thanks for watching the video. Never settle with yesterday.